Hi, I'm Leela with Untapped, and I'll be going over the intermediate combo from December 10th. It's to Are You Gonna Be My Girl by Jet, and it starts near the very beginning. Okay, here we go. So we start with 4, lap, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, lap, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, lap. Following that, you do 4 full lap heels. Forward, slide, step. Now when we step here, we're going to go step, heel, double time, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Then repeat on the left, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Then we're going to go heel, snap, step, heel, really fast cramp roll. Go back to the left. Here you hold 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel,